Are you creating a new campaign in ZAN? Don't let it freeze to death during cold start. When you activate a new campaign in ZAN, it goes through a learning phase where our models get to know your campaign across different properties, placements, and positions to learn its overall behavior. We call this learning process cold start. And campaigns have access to a limited amount of overall traffic as the models learn. When your campaign comes out of cold start and full volume is available, the system will have a solid understanding of where and when to place your ad. As you can see, it's imperative to get through this process in the first week or so of being live. Here are 3 tips to get those campaigns all warmed up. Solid test budgets. More available budget means more data, faster. Running small budgets may cause the campaign to linger in cold start, limiting volume and performance. Bid high. The higher the bid, the more auctions will be won, which again, will provide more data to the system. Once out of cold start, you can reassess bids and increase budgets. Keep all properties active. Having all network properties active runs your campaign across all of our properties for better volume, model training, and future placement. Please keep these tips in mind when you launch a new campaign in ZAN. Let's get those ads hot and thriving.